Now it is question number 27. A bag contains 2 white, 3 red, 4 blue balls. 2 balls are drawn at random from the bag. If X denotes the number of white ball among the 2 balls drawn, describe the probability distribution of X. Since the question does not say that the drawn ball is put in the bag again, means in the question with replacement word is not given, then we consider that the drawn ball is not put in the bag again, means without replacement. Then we cannot apply Bernoulli trial in this question. Let X denotes the number of white ball since X is given, since X denotes the number of white ball, then possible values of X are no white ball, 1 white ball, and all the 2 balls are white. Probability of getting no white ball, X equals 0. Total number of balls is 2, 3, 5, 4, 9, and we have to draw 2 balls, means sample space is 9C2. Total number of balls 2, 3, 5, 4, 9, and we have to draw 2 white ball out of 9 is 9C2, and the drawn ball is not a red ball, means we have to, the drawn ball is not a white ball, means we have to draw the ball from these balls, means 3 red and 4 white, means 7C2. We have to draw 2 ball out of 7. Calculate it. Factorial 7, factorial 2, factorial 5, factorial 9, factorial 2, factorial 7. Then it is equal 7 into 6 by 9 into 8. And 7 by 21. Sorry. 7 by 12. Now X equal 1, getting 1 white ball, means there are 9 balls, we have to draw 2 ball, 9C2, and 1 white ball. There are 2 white ball and we have to draw 1 white ball, 2C1, into 1 ball is drawn from 7 balls, means 3 red and 4 blue, then 7C1. It is equal 14 by factorial 9 factorial 2 into factorial 7, then 14 by 9 into 8 into 2, no, 4, 7. It is equal 7 by 18. Now all the 2 balls are white, means 9C2. All the 2 balls are white, means we have to draw 2 balls out of 2 white balls, 2CW, 2C2. Then it is 1 by factorial 9 factorial 2 factorial 7 and it is equal 1 by 36. Okay. Then probability distribution is given by value of x and its respective probabilities. Value of x is 0, then probability is 7 by 12. Value of x is 1, it is 7 by 18. Value of x is 2, it is 1 by 36, and it is required answer.